This 6-piece sheet set from Luxclub comes in all standard sizes, from twin to split king and California king, and offers an incredible 41 color options. Each set includes 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 4 pillowcases. Made from a blend of bamboo viscose and microfiber, these lightweight sheets are designed to look and feel like a luxurious hotel-quality set. This durable blended material feels smooth and extra cool, and the tight percale weave makes every piece strong while staying super breathable. This sheet set is wrinkle and pill resistant, fade resistant, and temperature regulating to keep you comfortable all night long. The sheets are machine washable and dryable on low heat for easy washing, and the material is non-irritating and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Each fitted sheet has 360-degree elastic to help the sheet stay put, and deep pockets can fit comfortably over mattresses as thick as 18 inches. The pillowcases feature an envelope closure, giving you the option to use them open or tuck them in to fully enclose each pillow and prevent slipping. Silky hem accents on the top sheet and pillowcases help each color pop and add a touch of style. Luxclub is an eco-friendly manufacturer, using responsibly sourced materials and safe dyes to help protect the environment and keep your sheets free from harsh chemicals. Their responsible practices also include supporting fair wages and safe conditions for all workers both domestically and internationally. These sheets come with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, offering an easy, no questions asked return if you aren't totally happy with your purchase, and sleeping more comfortably than ever.